Hiker Jay here. If you're like me, you've got packs and satchels and things with MOLLE all over it. And of course you can put another MOLLE pouch on it. But I have a new sling pack by 3V and I'm testing it out and I'm going to be using it for the next week on hikes and such. And I wanted to be able to connect other things onto it, not just pouches. Like my GoPro, I want to be able to hook it on the front of it and be able to unhook it really quickly and then use it as I needed. As well as taking my little go bag that I made a couple weeks ago. That video's been going great. Thank you so much for everybody that's been supporting that one. If you want to check it out, it's everything that I need for like a mini go bag. Like I take this no matter what. It sits under my Jeep and it's got tons of gear in here that I feel like keep me prepared for different situations, and I'll link that video up here on the right. But what I want to be able to do is I want to be able to just clip this one on the front, because that's how this is designed. It's a 511 mirror pack and it's part of a pack system. Now I just bought the satchel and it's got these hooks. So I wanted to find an option to be able to hook those together. So when I went and searched, there are 4 different options here to hook things to MOLLE. Now we've got D-rings, we've got the tube hooks. So this will hook like flashlights and the GoPro. Hopefully we're going to see if that works. Keychains, and then D-rings. So we're going to set this sling pack up with all of these items and test it out and see how these different hookups work. Now, if this is the first time on our channel, thanks for stopping by. If you could hit subscribe, that would be awesome. I put out new videos every Thursday on outdoor gear and such. And as always, the products that I'm talking about are down in the description. A link is down there for you to check out at my Amazon affiliate. So first off, they came in this black pouch, which is pretty sweet, so I can keep the ones that I don't use in this pouch and I don't lose them. So the way that I want to use these for is that I want to use a D-ring to hook a bandana on there that I can just grab real easy. I want to use a keychain lanyard so I can have that on the outside so I can grab keys real easy. And of course I want to hook my go bag, my mini go bag, on the outside of this one using these D-rings. And then lastly, I have these, which I want to do a flashlight probably on the outside, and then use them on the front on the strap where we'll put it on, and we'll see if we can get my GoPro to actually be there so I can quickly unhook it and just start filming something and then put it right back and get back to hiking. So let's just check this out. So the first one is just a simple keychain and it's just Velcro. So it'll go, we'll put it back here. It'll go in real simple, just fold over, hook. Now it does come with key rings, but I'm just gonna throw my keys on there for now, just so that it's kind of see how it works. So now I've got somewhere to quickly just hook keys. Now the second one is the D-ring. The D-ring can be mounted this way or that way, and I think I want to go this way because I want to be able to just put a bandana through it. So I'm going to go through the top one here, and it's larger on one side or on the top part and smaller on the bottom. Not really sure that. So you put it on the top and then you have to get the little nubs on the bottom so that it doesn't pop off. So now I've got this D-ring right there. And for me, I wanted to be able to have just a bandana or like a pack towel, something I can wipe off real quick and use. And I thought that that would be perfect for just being able to hang a bandana from. So I think that's going to work. I don't think I will lose it. I may have to tie it. I don't know. It's a pretty big D-ring, but you could clip anything. You could clip a carabiner on there as well, and have that too to be able to hang something like a water bottle or whatever. This pack has water bottle pouch, which is pretty sweet. I'm really liking this pack so far, this sling pack. I'll be doing a review on this in a couple of weeks. Now, let's get into what I really got these for, which was to hook my mini go bag on the front of this. So these are pretty awesome. This is what I really went searching for, but I found all these other options, so I'm like, hey, let's check them out. So this one is just a D-ring, and you can see that the MOLLE goes through right here, and it hooks on, and then you can put something through it. Now I plan to actually just slide the mini go bag on there. What I want to be able to do is hook it on both sides of this pack and have it hang flat on the back, and then I've got it, but I could also take it off and throw it on as a sling pack again. So we're going to put these on, so you unclip them. It's larger on the bottom, so I'm thinking you want to go from the bottom. I do like that this pack has Velcro, but they haven't just wasted the Velcro. They put MOLLE strips through there, so that's kind of cool. A little bigger, a little thicker, so we'll see how this works, getting these D-rings onto there, and then getting it back through the top. Rest a little bit. Oh, actually, no, that's it. So it's on. That's pretty cool. Let's put the other one over here. I think spacing-wise, I'm going to be fine by doing this. It does sort of isolate me from, with that pack on here, not being able to use this, but I like that I can get into the side as well, or just zip from here. So I don't think it's going to bother me too much having that shoulder bag hooked onto this one through the MOLLE clip. So well, that Velcro layer really does fight me, but it does work just fine. Not sure if you can see that, but now it can slide back and forth. Now, this pack right here, my little go bag, the way it's designed is that you can either have like an everyday carry that goes into the back, or you can just shove the shoulder straps into the back, and then they're hidden and out of the way. And then I've got these, this actually is pretty cool at magnets. And then I've got these 2 loops that I'm planning to hook this onto. So let's go here first. So we'll go through and I go up and clip. All right, now the other one, through and click. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. So I guess it could bounce if I'm running, but I mean walking, I don't see any problem with that. So kind of a crazy profile to it, but I like it. That's exactly what I wanted. I want to be able to clip this on, and this is all my emergency gear, rope, twine, couple bit of emergency pieces and such in here. Like I said, you can watch that video, but that is pretty sweet. Now, let's go on to the tube ones. That's what's cool about these and using MOLLE is that you can just switch everything up and mess around with it. And I actually love to tinker. This one came with like a condor one, so let's take this off. Nice little clip. Like that's the cool thing with a MOLLE system, is that you can just change it up, tinker, set it up exactly how you want it, and that's the beauty of it. So I've loved it. I used to play paintball, and so we used a lot of MOLLE gear in the different stuff that we do for like carrying pods and such. So, okay. All right, now that that's done, basically what it does is it comes around, you pull it as tight as you can, and then it cinches it. Whoops, I missed that one. So you want to cinch them in, and I'll do this one. So that is what they call a tube holder, so you can have your flashlight on there. That's kind of cool. Like I could actually put it maybe on the other side and it could shine down or whatever. But what I really want to do is I want to take it and put it on the strap so that I could hook my GoPro on it. So let me throw this over my shoulder. So my idea is that I want this to be able to be like hooked onto here, so as I'm hiking along, I can just quickly get it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use one of these, and I think since they have to go this way, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up here on the where the under the arm strap goes. Okay, so now I've got these two on here, and my idea is that I take them and I clip them on. All right, that's kind of what I was thinking of, that I can have it right there. I can be walking, it's out of the way. I can tilt it back or whatever it might be. I do like that it has 2 spots. It's a little high on my shoulder, so maybe if I cinch this up. There we go, that's a lot better. So that's exactly what I was looking for. I guess if I'm moving around, I can do things and everything. It's not in the way. If I really needed it, I could just unclip it and start filming. That's pretty cool. It does take quite a bit to get used to actually clipping it back on. I don't think it's terrible, but it's kind of in an awkward spot because it's not exactly a shoulder strap. It's a sling strap, but I think that these MOLLE clips give me a lot of different options. I'm wondering what you would use them for. Of course, I got the D ones mainly to be able to put my go bag on the back of this sling pack, but it's kind of cool to have these tubes. We'll see how it works, these tube straps, see how they work, but I just wanted to share it with you. Hopefully you found something interesting, and if you want one of these or you want to get some of these, they're super cheap. You can check out the link down below. Till next time, just remember, life's a hike, so hike happy, and make sure you have like really cool adapters to hook onto your MOLLE. It's cool. Oh wait, something I want to film. There we go. Cool.